We have Buicks here. I'm not really a big fan of Buicks. There's a lot of people at Lexus because it's a very appealing design, very futuristic. It's a hybrid car, RCF hybrid. It does look like the RCF. Some more Lexus. Oh man, this is the RCF, the coupe, expensive coupe. It's very good. The rear is just absolutely crazy. This is the RCF, so it's the most expensive RC you can get because there you have the RC base model, and this one here is a SUV that Chinese love it. They love to bring it back to China and sell it for twice the price. The LX, I forgot the name of it. And there's a smaller one right here, the RX, I believe. Yep, it is the RX 350.
Mesdames et messieurs,
This is the ES.
le Salon international de Montréal est présentement fermé. Nous vous souhaitons une belle fin de soirée. Ladies and gentlemen, please note that the Montreal International Car Show is now closed. Thank you for your visit and have a nice evening.
This is the NX. It's like a smaller version of the RX.
Shit, man. You want to go with the Lexus?
But I guess the best looking SUV is really this one here, the RX. The grille is just amazing.